Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Chevrolet Blazer with the RS package. Loaded up, all the toys, beautiful condition, beautiful white color, leather interior, sunroof, parking sensors, loaded up, beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Front bumper's in outstanding shape, looks amazing. Beautiful conditions. Take a look at the headlamp here on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Lower lights in beautiful condition. Grille's in beautiful shape. RS package. Lower lights in beautiful condition on the driver's side. Upper light also in beautiful shape. Hood's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Really nice shape. Just have a tiny little chip right there. Besides that, it's an amazing condition. All right, take a look at the fender. Fender on the driver's side, really amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. This one has a 360 camera view. There's a camera right here on the mirror. Very nice. We'll show that to you in a moment. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Quarter panel's in amazing shape here on the driver's side. Rear hatch is in beautiful condition, super clean. Very nice. Parking sensors in the rear. As you can see here, it's got two cameras, one for the rear mirror and one for the backup camera. Very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side, amazing condition. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Passenger door in the front, beautiful condition. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful shape, looks clean throughout. No marks or anything on it, looks amazing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the windshield. The windshield's in beautiful shape. No chips on it, looks super nice, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the roof. The roof is in amazing condition. It's got that large panel sunroof on this one. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Windshield on this side, also no chips or scratches on it. Looks amazing, very nice condition. All right, guys, that concludes our walk around this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks beautiful. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Power windows. Power mirrors. Memory seat. Rear power hatch. Bose system on this one. Very nice. Driver seat's in beautiful condition. RS model. Look at that. Perforated in the center. Little blue red piping on this one. Looks amazing. All weather mats, really nice condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Full power with lumbar, really amazing shape. Passenger side door panel here in the front looks amazing. Really outstanding shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. It's got the same stitching as on the seats. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the passenger seat. Passenger seat's in beautiful shape. Looks super nice. Full set of floor mats, all weather. Dashboard steering wheel, everything looks amazing on this one. Very nice condition. Full power on the passenger side, look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at this, very nice shape, looks amazing. Rear seats are heated on this one. Very nice option. Rear seats are in beautiful condition, looks super clean. Look at this, very nice. Really outstanding shape. Full set of floor mats, all weather. Looks beautiful. In the center here, USBs. Power plug right there. Very nice. AC vents are right there. Up above here, check that out. Beautiful panoramic roof. Look at that. Amazing. Looks beautiful. Fantastic. Really outstanding condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear. Passenger side door panel in the rear. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Rear seats are heated. It's a nice package there. Take a look at the rear seats here. Beautiful condition. Looks amazing. All weather mats all the way around. Rear USBs and power plug here in the back. Look at this. Very nice. Armrest here. Beautiful condition for your cup holders. Up above here, got a large roof there. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Really outstanding condition. Looks beautiful. Okay, we're all set to go ahead and start this baby up. 2023 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. All right, let's take a look at the key fob. Key fob, beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Original GM key. This one has lock unlock, remote start, and power hatch with panic. All right, we're gonna set the key down right here. This one has a push button start right up here. So we're gonna go ahead and press the brake, push the button, start it up. Starts up, perfect, look at that. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the information on this one. This one has 28,621 miles. Great mileage for a 23. Look at that. RPMs, temperature gauge, miles per hour, voltage, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge. Look at that. Very nice. All right. It also shows you it's in park and we're facing neutral. It's got a little information center thing here. We can click through it. So let's do that. So it shows you the trip computer, 2 trip computers, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure sensors, air filter life, timer, and miles per hour. So we can click on that. Over to the left, we can go down to radio. Shows us whatever's just playing on the radio. Super nice. Over to the left again. Navigation. If you're going somewhere, you can set up your navigation. Tells you where you're going to turn and stuff here on that little display there. Phone. If you have your phone connected, you can see your phone calls through there. And then settings. So right now it's on sport mode, US. Super nice. All right, here we go. Let's go back up here to the top. We'll leave it on miles per hour for now. All right, super nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features. Turning signals, fully functional. So you can see there. Highlights, also fully functional. Very nice. Automatic lights. Power parking brake release. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Memory seat for the driver. This is for the cruise control here. On the right hand side here, this little display, you have your heated steering wheel. You can turn that on like that. And then this is for the collision detection in the front. You could set it up further away or closer. Further away is better, so it'll warn you before. But it has 3 different settings. There you go. So we're going to leave it on further away for now. And this was what we used for the information center before. Okay, leather wrap steering wheel, beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Very nice. It's got the stitching right here. Beautiful. Okay. Dashboard looks amazing. Looks brand new. Amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful display in the center there. Really nice condition. Look at the accents here because it's RS. Has the little red accents there. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at some of the other features in this one. Climate control AC, 2 zones, here you go. Driver and passenger zone. So these are really cool. When you turn this big dial here, it changes the temperature. Right there, see that? That is so nice. It's built right into the car, look at that. So you actually turn the dial here on the vent. Same thing on this side. Super nice. And then when you're turning it, on the top of the screen, it shows you the climate control. See that? Super nice. All right, this one has air conditioned seats and heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Rear seats are heated, which is a nice feature. This is the heat for the passenger, air conditioned seat for the passenger. Super nice. There's your temperature for the passenger, for your driver, your vent controls, your power, your sink, automatic AC, recycle, your blower, your fan control right there, front and rear defrost, USBs. Right here, this is a charging pad for your cell phone, automatic transmission, parking sensors, the lane alert. Right now, it's set here on touring, so we're going to turn it to the right. That's snow mode. Turn it to the right again, and that's sport mode. So we're going to leave it on sport mode. Look at that. That's super cool. Cup holders right there. Beautiful space here. Put your stuff away. It's got your little card there for the navigation, USBs, and your power plug. Another cool feature on this one, glove box. It opens up from here. It's got the full set of books right there. Super nice. All right, now let's go ahead and take a closer look here at the radio. Look at that. So we'll go to audio real quick. Right now we're looking at the station it's on now. We click more, shows you all the sources that are available. AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Go back again. Go to home again. Phone, that's to connect your phone. If you had any phones paired, they will show up right there. Go home again. Navigation, nice feature on this one. Home again. Wi-Fi settings, in case you're going to subscribe to that. Super nice. Users, super nice. Settings for the vehicle. Here, collision detection. I like to look at all the safety features on it. So this one has a alert type. So this one, it vibrates the seat or it beeps, which is nice. Forward collision system, front pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise, lane change alert, and rear cross traffic. Look at that. That is super nice. All right, go back again. Apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got all the controls there for the navigation and everything. System, so you can set the time, the language, phones, the Wi-Fi settings. Super nice. We'll go back again to home. And then this is the home page here. Oh, go back again. This is the home page here. So it shows you your navigation on the right, and it shows you whatever you're listening to on the radio or whatever you're listening to from your Bluetooth right there. So if you go like this, it shows you a set of different apps you can select there. Some more apps here. Your camera settings, check that out. Super nice. We'll take a look at that when we take it for a test drive. Your climate control, super nice. A lot of features on this one. Loaded up, beautiful condition. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at this beautiful sunroof on this one. It's a panoramic roof. We're gonna first slide the shade back. The shade goes all the way back to give the view for the rear passengers. It's like a panoramic pretty much, look at that. Rear passengers enjoy that. And then we're gonna pop open the sunroof. Look at that. That is beautiful. There you go. Let's close her up. Fantastic. Really nice feature. Now let's go ahead and close up the roof and the shade. Super nice. There you go. That's beautiful. Okay, so you got a sunglass holder here on top. You got your OnStar, your controls for the roof, your wireless garage door openers right there, courtesy lights. Beautiful. Okay, and then this one's really nice because this one has a rear backup camera in the rear view mirror. So right here's the mirror, and right here's the rear camera. So at night or whatever, even now, look at the difference. You can see everything so clear there. That's a really, really nice feature. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and try this one out. All right, we're all set. Here we go. Now, this one drives super impressive. It's super quick. 6-cylinder power. Really nice. Right now it's set on sport mode. It drives amazing. And look at the rear view camera. Look at that. Rear view on that camera. Amazing. All right, so drives beautiful. Shows the miles per hour there. Really nice. Brakes feel nice and fantastic. Look at that. Turns on a dime. Really great drive. Super quick. All right, here we go back out to the road again. Now you see the gauges, they're flickering a little bit. That's just because they're refreshing. But as you can see, when I move the camera in a certain way, it doesn't flicker anymore. So that's just something the camera catches, but not the human eye. Drives beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead and check up our 360 view, the camera view on this one. We're gonna find a little spot here. We're gonna back up. There we go. Fantastic. So now I put it in reverse. Here we go. Beautiful camera view. Look at that. When you turn the steering wheel, those little lines show you which way you're gonna roll back. Super nice. As we're backing up, we're straightening out here. I'm going back. Here we go. That is such a nice view. Look at that. Now, right now, the seat is vibrating, letting me know I'm getting a little close to those bushes. And then right here on the cluster, the seat's vibrating. And also the cluster here showing me what I'm getting close to. See that? That is super nice. And it gives you a little triangle there on the screen, letting you know you're getting too close to something. All right, guys. So let's take a closer look at this camera system. So now if I put it in drive, it's going to show me the front camera. See that? That's the front camera view. So if I drive forward, front camera view. This is a rear camera view. If you want a closer view for the rear, like if you're going to park somewhere tight or whatever, you're going to hitch up a boat or something, you can see that there. This is the front view, because you're going to park somewhere where the sidewalk's a little bit taller or something, you don't want to hit the bumper. That's nice. These are the side views for the rear, and the other one's for the front. See that there? And this for the little lines, and this for surround view. So pretty much that's it. Look at this. This is super nice. All right, that's our rear camera again. All right, that concludes everything on this one. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the cargo space on this one. Take a look at the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch. We're gonna press this button twice. There you go, hatch is opening up right now. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look back here. Oh, look at this. Also has the all-weather mat back here. Matches the ones in the front. Take a look at that. Also the backing of these seats also protected. Very nice. Those seats fold forward if you need more space. Little pocket there, super nice. Power plug there in case you want a tailgate or something. Beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Looks amazing. All right, let's go ahead and close the door. Test this out real quick. Fantastic. Look at that. Works amazing. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in outstanding shape. Looks amazing. Really nice condition all the way through. Looks beautiful. Very nice. V6 power. Under the hood looks amazing. Emission sticker in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Super clean throughout. We're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Very nice condition all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Just notice it had a little scratch right here. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Let's take a close look here. Very nice condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Beautiful tire. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. A good amount of tread on there. Looks beautiful. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. Does have a couple little scratches here on the rim. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video on this 2023 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. Vehicle's loaded up with all the toys. Beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.